the Father's Day truck show, and well, we're just gonna walk around and see what's inside.
All right, let's check it out.
Okay. So I actually found this Ferrari truck, but it's not an actual Ferrari truck. Obviously, Ferrari doesn't make big rigs. I think it's a K-Dub, but I'm not sure. And the cool thing about this truck is we saw this at the 75 Chrome shop, played the clip, and it was crazy. So now it's here at this truck show. Next thing you know, it's going to be at the Iowa 80.
I don't remember it having a trailer.
Yeah, I don't think it did. I don't think it did have a trailer. I was gonna say, how do you even get in there?
Oh yeah, secret button underneath probably. See if it on. Hey, you started something.
Exactly. I caused something.
What's behind you?
So this is a beautiful Kenworth tow truck. They call this a rotator because it's actually a crane and a tow truck.
Let's check it out.
Flipped over or something.
Right.
Not like a regular SUV. This is huge.
Sit.